Hey, Sal here, and I got a question for you. You shook hands on the car, you got your price, you're feeling good. So why are you still at the dealership? Huh, because the deal is not done, not even close. See, everything you just negotiated on the sales floor, that was the opening act. Now they're walking you down a hallway into a little room with no windows and introducing a guy in a nicer suit than mine. That's the finance office, and it is the most profitable square footage in the entire building. There are 7 ways this guy can trip you up in this office, and today I'm going to walk you through all 7 of them, every single one. And for each one, I'm going to give you the counter move, 'cause that's what Sal does now. Keeps me honest. Let's go. Number 1, the interest rate markup. This one should really cork yous off. Here's how it works. The bank approves you at 5%. I write you up at 8. That spread, 3 points, could mean thousands out of your pocket over the course of the loan. And that's pure profit for the store, and you'll never catch it, because you only asked about the payment, never the rate. The counter move is simple. Get pre-approved at your own bank or credit union before you walk in. Now my rate has to compete. I hate that. Number 2, the extended warranty. I'm going to slide this across the desk and tell you it's peace of mind. It's not peace of mind, it's margin. We buy these from a third party for $300, maybe $400. We sell them to you for $2,500. And here's the thing nobody tells you. Your new car is already covered. Most manufacturers, your Jeep, your Toyota, your Honda, your GM, give you a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty right out of the gate. There is usually a powertrain warranty that runs even longer than that. Think 5 years, 60,000 miles on most brands, covering the most expensive parts, your transmission, your engine, drive shafts, transfer cases, differentials, axles, and CV joints. Hyundai and Kia, 5 years bumper to bumper, 10 years powertrain. I'll say that again. 10 years. If you want coverage after the bumper to bumper runs out, shop third-party warranties after you drive off the lot. You'll save half, easy. Number 3, gap insurance. And here's where Sal's gonna be straight with you for a second. Gap is actually a real good product. If you total the car and you owe more than it's worth, Gap covers the difference. That's real protection. The problem is, I'm charging you $800 for something your insurance company sells for $20 a month. Call your insurer. Ask about Gap before you come in. This way, you're already done and already cheaper. I never even get to pitch it. That kills me. Number 4, paint protection. $700 for a $30 bottle of wax that a lot porter sprayed on before you arrived. Maybe a machine buffer if they're feeling generous. The manufacturer already applied a clear coat at the factory. The car is already protected. If you want real paint protection, get a ceramic coat from an independent detailer after you take delivery. Better product, better application, fraction of the price. And I don't see a dime of it. Tragic. Number 5, tire and wheel coverage. Now this one sounds good. We'll cover any damage to your tires and wheels. What they don't tell you is the fine print. Coverage only applies if the damage is from a road hazard, not normal wear, not curb rash, not anything that happens in a parking lot. The claims process is a nightmare, and the dealer marks it up 400% over what an independent tire shop would charge to replace a tire anyway. Most tire shops include road hazard protection when you buy tires from them. For free. Pass on mine. Numero 6, and this one's the sneaky one. Credit life and disability insurance. Most people have never heard of it. That's exactly why I like it. Here's the pitch. If you pass away or become disabled, this policy pays off your car loan. Sounds like you care about them, right? I do not care about them. I care about the markup. This is life insurance priced at 4 to 5 times what you'd pay if you just called your own insurance company. If you want life coverage on a debt, buy a small-term life policy from a real insurer. It costs less, covers more, and doesn't go away when you pay off the car. Please do not buy mine. Number 7, and this one happens before you even sit down. Pre-installed accessories, window tint, VIN etching, nitrogen tires, low jack, paint sealant. The list goes on, and on, and on. All of it stuck to the car before you arrived, all of it on the window sticker, and the salesman will tell you it's not negotiable because it's already on the car. I don't care what they tell you. It is negotiable. So, you got 2 moves. Ask them to remove the items and remove all the cost, or get them to drop the price by whatever the add-ons total. Either way, do not pay for something you never asked for. That's the game. Now you know it. All right, that's the story. 7 tricks, 7 counter moves. And here's the thing about the finance office. The guy in that room is not your enemy. He's just really good at his job. And his job is to add as much gross profit as possible to a deal you already think is closed. And that guy, on average, he gets between $2,000 and $2,500 extra out of everyone who sits in that chair. But not you, because now you know what he's gonna try. You walk in prepared and none of it works. Say no to everything unless you researched it before you walked through that door. Get pre-approved on the rate. Ask your insurance company about GAP. See a detailer for paint protection. Do not sign anything you didn't plan to sign. I'm Sal, and I used to be the guy in that room. And now I work for you. If you want to learn more, and I know you do, check out GetSorted.autos. That's GetSorted.autos. Sal, out. Is this thing off? Bro, I just gave away a ton of secrets. I'm beat. Someone get me a beef from Portillo's, hot and dipped, and a chocolate cake shake, a stat, and someone better remember to tell these people to like, follow, and subscribe, or whatever those influencer guys say in every darn video.